Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send money from SafePal to PayPal. First, you want to open up the SafePal app and make sure you have some money in your balance. If you have crypto, you'll need to sell your crypto, then check your balance afterwards. Next, go into the Bank tab. From here, you should see the option to open your crypto bank account. You can open a Swiss bank account for free with no management fees. All you have to do is go through the bank opening process. You will also have access to a virtual SafePal Visa card. Once you have your money, you will withdraw it from the Bank tab into either your virtual Visa debit card or your bank account. After that, you can transfer the money into PayPal or simply use it on PayPal by linking your Visa card to your PayPal account. That's how it works. By the way, if you want a more efficient way to move money between apps, I recommend Wise. I use it personally. Wise consistently beats PayPal and banks on fees and rates and gives you a free debit card that works worldwide. Right now, if you sign up through the link in the description, your first transfer up to $800 is completely free. It's quick, simple, and free to set up your account.